If you believe that this movement is not a serious movement, then you cannot believe anything. Look at what is happening here today. Nigerians, Europeans, Americans joining hands to support us. The message is simple, that by 2023, we are getting it right. So we are starting it here in Europe. We are passing the message back home. We are appealing to Nigerians at home to please come and join hands together. Let us get it right in 2023. It is Peter Obi and Ahmed Dati. We are closing down London. We are shutting down London. Nigerians, Africans, united in this cause to ensure that we get it right. We are getting it right in 2023. We are getting it right in 2023. We have just started the march. We've gone to the Nigerian house and we have returned and we are saying enough is enough. In 2023, Nigeria will begin to take shape. A lot of Nigerians who live abroad have seen what it means to live a good life. And we want that to happen back home in Nigeria. We are not going to give CC. We are not giving CC. And we are going to get it done. We are not giving CC. Is it forever? We are not giving CC. Is it forever?
We know they give, we know they take.
We know they give, we know they take.
Recruiting 50 million youths is a shorter of life.
We know they take. Nigeria will begin to work.